Hey guys, Mark from Lister Motorsports. Today we're looking at a 66 Mustang, and this car was painted here in the shop. It is beautiful. The entire hood was fabricated, all the metal was fabricated, everything was done right here in-house. I'm going to put Tony's information in the link down below, but he is the man. This is awesome. This whole car was painted here. It's not finished yet, but I'm just going to do a quick walk around and show you guys this car. Interior is not put back together yet. Still apart. It's a 4-speed car. My favorite. Actually, I like a 5-speed, but 4 is good enough. I saw this car when it first came in, and man, it's just day and night. I believe they still have to rub the paint out a little bit. Just a few odds and ends. When this car is completely done, I'll come back and do another video of everything, the interior and the whole bit. And at the bottom of the link, the description of the video, I will put Tony's information. He's located here in Troutman, North Carolina. Some of the cars that come in and out of here are incredible. Love to know what you guys think, if this is your style or not. I know it's not a fastback or anything, but these are getting real popular now too. Okay guys, thanks for looking. If you want to see more car videos, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Over and out.